Welcome to Amsterdam.
You're missing out.
Life change.
It's really life-changing. So nice.
Lalo ka na naman this week!
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
Did you see a box there? Yeah. Another one. There's paper on the floor. Oh, pick it up. Thank you. Good morning, titas! Welcome sa panibagong video. Okay. Happy New Year! First video. Ating first vlog sa 2026. Ay, pangalawa pala. So, yung New Year, syempre yung nakita nyo na yung short lang yung vlog na yun. And hindi kami nagsasalita kahit celebration lang talaga. And as you can see, nagpa-ano po ako ng buhok. Nagpa-short na ako ng nagpa-haircut na po ako. Shorter na siya and I like this length. And sobrang light ang feeling because sobrang bigat ng feeling pag sobrang haba ng buhok. Kasi thick po yung aking buhok. Anna also has shorter hair. Show the titas, my love. Anna and Mama have shorter hair now. Wow.
But they are soft.
Huh?
They're soft.
Your hair is soft? Yeah, we had to cut her hair because unhealthy na yung... Ayan, I hope happy po ang inyong celebration ng 2026. Simple or in grande. Ang importante, healthy and happy ang inyong salubong sa 2026. Ang aming bahay ay magulo pero okay lang yan. Yung aming katag kagabi, oh. Yan yung una niyo. Ay, dito, katag, guys. Medyo madumi pa doon sa labas kay yung ano ng fireworks. Wala pang naglilinis dyan. Ang dami po nilang mga paputok. Dami silang fireworks. Mag-clear ako ng aking office table. Sitwasyon natin dito. Ay, pasensya nyo na ang kalat. But this one, yung aking office, yung mga bags namin ni Ana, inano ko na lang po siya. I-minix ko na lang. Pero I'm planning to get one for Ana. Lagay ko dito because later when winter is over, kukunin naman namin ito. Yan. Uy! And hoping na sa 2026 ma-focus makafocus na kami dito sa bahay, yung mga changes na gagawin namin. Love, this is so bright, my love.
But
Because,
Mama, do you want one from this stitch?
yeah, thank you. Yeah, not too bright, just put it
Do you
like
want
that.
this?
The other one. You choose one. This. Okay, ayan. May new pen ako from Ana. Is this for me now?
Yeah.
Can I use this?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Can I get a kiss? Hi, titas!
Hi, titas.
Guys, nakita niyo ba yung mukha ko? Nag-gain pa ako ng 2 kilos. Okay, kaya wala na akong, hindi ko na, I don't, the past days, I don't watch what I eat. So, yan. Kita ka agad ang resulta. And yung haircut ko pa, maikli. So, may emphasize yung aking mukha. But yeah, samahan niyo po kami sa aming araw. Wala naman kami masyadong ganap, but i-document ko lang yung aming first full day ng 2026. Ngayon? January 1, Thursday. So, I hope okay po kayong lahat and enjoy the rest of this video. How many pieces do you want? Only one? And I'll cut it?
Yeah.
Limpyo patas balay ron. Did you understand what I said, love? I said we're gonna clean the house today. Here you go. Wash your hands before you eat, my love.
Okay.
Make a walk.
Wash my hands.
It's okay?
Wash my hands.
Careful lang. We have to buy the orange maybe.
A few moments later.
Titas, nakalimutan ko mag-vlog ba? Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog talaga. Ayun, natapos na kaming kumain. Masabaw na adobo po ako. Yung paborito ni Ana. Yan yung kanyang naubos o 4 na wings. Kasi wala kaming rice. Ayan, broccoli. Tapos masarap. Paborito kong mushroom na adobo. Tapos yung pork belly ko dito. Naubos din. Now! Saan naman eh? Mag-ilis pa talang. Oo, watch out ha. Because you have pugong sa imong hair. Yeah? Watch out. Yun. Pasensya nyo na po. Nakalimutan ko talaga kayo. We will just get ready because mabibisitahin namin yung aming, yung aking in-laws. And also yung friends nila. Doon sa bahay nila yung minsan nag-aalaga din kay Ana. So, bisitahin po namin sila. Wala naman po kaming ganap today. Wala lang. Chill lang and then spend time with family. Yun lang. And magligpit-ligpit ako dito as always. Yung sa third floor namin, hindi pa ako tapos doon declutter. Ang dami talagang kailangan itapon. Si Ruth nagtapon na ng mga 4 na full bags sa tawag dito, dinonate yung iba ba. Yung iba tinapon talaga kasi ayaw tanggapin nung sa second hand shop. Kasi yung mga gamit doon, dinodonate mostly. Kaya po, pag binibenta nila, hindi din masyadong mahal. Hindi din mahal kasi nga, dinodonate ng mga tao yung mga gamit pa. But yeah, we will just have a chill and quiet day today. So, I hope kayo din po nag-i-enjoy sa mga araw niyo. Ang lamig, super lamig. Dito na po kami kasama si Bianan. Pero yung aking babae natatrabaho pa din. It's very cold, Ana, yeah? Puntahan na po namin yung mag-asawang matatanda. Mga ano na po sila, 80 plus. Friends, family friend namin ba? Family friends. Ito po yung mga nagbabantay dati kay Ruth ng bata pa siya. Tapos ngayon si Ana, binabantayan din nila. Kapitbahay sila dati ng mama at papa ni Ruth. As in, yung bahay daw nila magkasunod lang ba? Magkatabi. Oplete! Balik na po kami Kalabihanan. Binigyan kami ng candle na ito. Ganito. Cute, ang cute, cute.
One eternity later.
And then you can do the... And you will download, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is 100% love. Hey, what? Close the door. Puzzles. We will also download the same one as Hosta. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one? This is the one you have? No? This one? We can download that one. This is offline.
Your face and your edge.
I think.
No,
Well,
niet. Ik weet het.
yeah, I will show you. Because I took a picture of that. See that?
Die.
Oh yeah, it's under there.
Zie ik zij toch?
Sorry. Then we will just delete that one.
Your face. Your face.
Lo, lagi lang. Asa man eh?
Jump, 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 man. Jump, jump, jump.
Lang, I can't find it.
Jump, jump, jump.
It's under lagi.
Jump, jump, jump.
Lang, I can't find the one same.
Moet even een wasje erin.
Mag daar ook niet een andere dan? Mag dan ook niet eigenlijk een andere spel? Mag dat dan niet?
Well.
Een ander spel?
Hmm.
Yeah, mag
Oh, this one. Like it.
ja, die.
Oh, gewonder. We're looking for puzzle games for Anna. She likes puzzles. But this, Angela, I will delete this already, okay?
Oké. Heb je die nou ook?
Yeah, but I can delete this one as well.
Nee, ik wil die ook.
Huh?
Ik wil die ook.
Okay. But you're not allowed to buy anything, huh?
Oké. Yeah.
Na, hi, titas, we're home.
Hi, Tita Ria. Die.
Yeah.
The
Colors, you can choose.
colors.
This one.
Yes.
Marine, so that means like under the sea
I want that one.
or in the water.
But I want that
You want
one.
pets? Yeah, okay, you can choose. Oh. And if there's something, you can always go to X, X, X. Yeah, like this. X. Play. Okay. Then don't tap on these ones, okay?
Okay.
Always, if it's another screen that you cannot do any more puzzles, you choose X. It means close. Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy. I love you.
I love you.
So, hello titas, nakauwi na po kami ng bahay, no? Galing kami sa, doon sa parents ni Mister and also doon sa mga kaibigan namin. Sobrang nag-enjoy po si Ana doon. Ano siya, spoiled na spoiled siya ng mga kaibigan nila. Para siyang nasa iba niyang bahay, ganun. Alam niya yung nasaan yung mga laruan or mga snacks na nakalagay doon, hinahayaan lang siya doon. So, nagpapasalamat talaga ako at they're very fond of Ana. Yung mga kapitbahay din po nila doon, gustong-gusto si Ana every time na napupunta siya doon. Most of the residents there sa kanilang apartment, mga may katandaan na din ba. At yeah, sobrang simple and peaceful and wala, chill lang talaga yung aming first day of the year, which is something na gusto ko naman na parang chill lang ba. Bukas, magtatrabaho po kami ni Mister and si Ana as usual doon kay lolo at lola niya. And then next week, balik na po siyang school, no? So, hayaan namin siyang maglaro. Hayaan po namin siya. But yeah, it has been a nice day. And I hope kayo din, maganda yung araw nyo. Pasensya at wala masyadong ganap sa ating vlog, no? Ano lang, walang masyadong kabuluhan. Gusto ko lang talaga i-document ang aming first day of the year. And yeah, enjoy po kayo sa mga susunod pa nating videos. May mga chika ako pero hindi na muna ngayon. Next na videos na naman. And syempre, yung ating videos ay balik na naman sa dati, no? 2 or 3 times a week lang po akong magva-vlog. Pero tingnan natin because in the following days, basta after ko na lang i-chika sa inyo. May time ako the following day. So, thank you sa panonood and yeah, samahan niyo po kami sa aming journey sa 2026 sa mga naging parte ng aming 2025. Thank you po yung mga nagko-comment, mga silent viewers and mga nag-reach out. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Although hindi naman kalakihan yung ating community pero na-appreciate ko po talaga lahat yung mga sumusubaybay sa amin na hindi ko naman alam na may manonood pala, no? Kahit konti sa mga pinagagawa-gawa ko dito sa YouTube. Pero thank you po and yeah, cheers to 2026. I hope positive and happy and healthy yung mga tao. Yung healthy tayong lahat and positive yung pagpasok ng taon. So, thank you and see you na naman sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Duy, mosh mosh babush! Ana, duy!
Doei. Moes, moes, baboe.
Mosh mosh babush!